The dodo was a large flightless bird. It lived on the island of Mauritius. This island is in the Indian Ocean. The dodo had short, stubby wings. It had a big, hooked beak. Sadly, the dodo is now extinct. This means there are no more dodos alive. The dodo died out because of humans. People arrived on Mauritius in the 1600s. They cut down forests where dodos lived. They also brought new animals like rats. These animals ate dodo eggs. The last dodo was seen in 1681. The dodo became a symbol of extinction. It reminds us how human actions can impact nature. Can we bring back the dodo? A company called Colossal Biosciences says yes. They are using science to try and revive the dodo. This is called de-extinction. It is a very ambitious project. Colossal Biosciences uses gene editing. This is like using scissors and glue on DNA. DNA is the instruction book of life. It determines how we look and function. By editing genes, scientists can change the traits of living organisms. The scientists at Colossal Biosciences aim to edit the DNA of a living relative of the dodo. By doing this, they hope to recreate a bird that is very similar to the extinct dodo. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences are looking at the Nicobar pigeon. This bird is the dodo's closest living relative. They will study the Nicobar pigeon's DNA. They want to find the genes that made the dodo unique. The scientists will use gene editing tools. One tool is called CRISPR. CRISPR is like a pair of molecular scissors. It can cut DNA at specific locations. Scientists can insert, delete, or change the DNA sequence using CRISPR. The goal is to create primordial germ cells. These are special cells that can turn into eggs or sperm. These cells would have the edited DNA with dodo-like traits. They would be implanted into surrogate bird parents. A future for the dodo? Conservation implications. The dodo project is, well, exciting. But it also raises questions. What would a de-extinct dodo be like? Would it behave like its ancestors? Could it survive in today's world? Bringing back the dodo could help biodiversity. The dodo once played a vital role in its ecosystem. It helped spread seeds of plants. Reviving it could restore balance to the Mauritian ecosystem. However, some scientists are cautious. They worry that de-extinction might take resources away from conserving existing species. They argue that we should focus on protecting the animals that are alive today. Dodo dreams. A new era of scientific discovery? Bringing back the dodo is a big challenge. It might not be successful, but the research is important. It teaches us more about genetics and evolution. The Dodo project could lead to new technologies. These technologies could help conserve other endangered species. We might be able to use gene editing to improve their chances of survival. The Dodo story is a reminder of the power of nature. It also shows how human actions can have unintended consequences. The work of Colossal Biosciences gives us hope that we can use science to correct past mistakes. This project might be the beginning of a new era in conservation. It is an era where extinct animals could roam the earth again, and present.